KTM introduces 2025 EXC Champions Edition, celebrating a legacy of enduro dominance. In celebration of its unmatched motorsports achievements, KTM has launched the 2025 EXC Champions Edition range. This special edition lineup pays homage to KTM's incredible history in off-road racing, particularly in the FIM Hard Enduro and EnduroGP World Championships. With over 340 world titles since the company's first victory in 1974, KTM continues to solidify its reputation as a leader in the world of enduro. The 2025 EXC Champions Edition is a tribute to KTM's success in both past and present competitions, marking milestones that began when motocross racer Gennady Moiseev won KTM's first 250 cubic centimeters world championship. Since then, KTM has been a driving force in enduro racing, with its first Enduro World Championship win in 1990. Now, over 5 decades later, KTM celebrates these moments with a series of motorcycles designed for both amateur and professional riders who seek the ultimate race experience. Exclusive features and design. What sets the 2025 KTM EXC Champions Edition apart from the standard EXC models is its exclusive design and performance features. It incorporates the following factory-level upgrades. Red Bull KTM Factory Racing Graphics, custom graphics inspired by the winning KTM factory team. Orange frame. A distinctive KTM trademark that highlights its racing heritage. Frame protection set. To ensure durability in the toughest racing environments. Gray, ODI lock-on grips. Superior grip and control for enhanced performance. Orange factory racing seat. Comfort and style tailored for high-performance racing. Map select switch. Allows riders to easily toggle between engine maps for different riding conditions. Orange front axle puller. For quick and easy wheel changes during competition. Semi-floating front brake disc. Provides better braking performance in demanding situations. Supersprock stealth rear sprocket. Combines aluminum and steel for lightness and durability. Skid plate. Offers extra protection for the engine in rough terrains. Radiator fan. To prevent overheating during long and intense rides. Michelin Enduro tires. Designed for superior traction in challenging off-road conditions. These upgrades are specifically tailored for those seeking a bike that can perform at the highest levels of competition, reflecting KTM's continuous commitment to excellence. Range of models in the 2025 KTM EXC Champions Edition. KTM's 2025 EXC Champions Edition comes in both 2-stroke and 4-stroke variants, offering a versatile range for riders. 2-stroke models. KTM 250 EXC Champion Edition. KTM 300 EXC Champion Edition. These models are designed for riders who prefer the power and lightweight handling characteristics of 2-stroke engines, offering quick acceleration and a responsive riding experience. 4-stroke models. KTM 250 EXC-F Champion Edition. KTM 350 EXC-F Champion Edition. KTM 450 EXC-F Champion Edition. KTM 500 EXC-F Champion Edition. The 4-stroke options provide smooth, consistent power with more torque and are ideal for long-distance races and technical trails. KTM's 4-stroke lineup is known for its durability and reliability, making it a popular choice among professional riders. Price and availability. The 2025 KTM EXC Champions Edition models are expected to be available at premium price points due to their specialized features and race-ready performance. While exact pricing has not yet been officially announced, it is anticipated that the models will be priced higher than the standard KTM EXC range, with estimates placing the starting price around $12,000 for the 250 EXC models, increasing for the higher capacity 4-stroke variants. Star riders to showcase the KTM EXC Champions Edition. KTM has enlisted 3 of its most celebrated riders to showcase the 2025 EXC Champions Edition in competitive events. Two-time World Enduro champion Johnny Aubert, part Enduro star and three-time Roof of Africa winner Chris Birch, and Red Bull Erzberg Rodeo champion Andreas Lettenbichler will take on the prestigious FIM International 6 Days Enduro, ISDE, in Galicia, Spain, in October 2024. These riders will compete in the club team class under the banner of the KTM All-Star Team, all equipped with the new EXC Champions Edition models. This competition will serve as the ultimate testing ground for these race-ready machines, as these legendary riders pushed the bikes to their limits in one of the most challenging enduro events in the world. Conclusion: a tribute to champions. The 2025 KTM EXC Champions Edition range is not just a celebration of KTM's past successes but a testament to its ongoing commitment to being at the forefront of off-road racing. With a mix of cutting-edge technology, race-winning performance, and a design that echoes the brand's legendary status, these bikes are made for riders who want to dominate the competition. Whether on a 2-stroke or 4-stroke, KTM riders can be confident that they're on a machine built for the top step of the podium. The EXC Champions Edition is more than just a motorcycle, it's a piece of KTM's history, designed for the champions of tomorrow. Pricing details and official release dates are expected soon, but for those eager to ride like a pro, the 2025 KTM EXC Champions Edition is a perfect choice.